What's up, you guys? Just a very quick video here from my little desk in my apartment here in San Diego. No script. I didn't realize I didn't close that door. But I just wanted to jump on and give you 3 quick pieces of information. The first thing, we'll just dive right into it. I'm just filming this on my phone just because I wanted to just capture the moment right now. 3 things. Number 1, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for the thoughtful messages, for the comments, for your perspectives on the last video, the struggling video. It took me a long time to create that, to muster up the words to say something. So I knew I wanted to say something and just share my perspective on what's my year been like and why I've been so quiet here on YouTube. And your response has been amazing. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who has reached out and shared a personal story, whether it was through Instagram DMs or in the comments here on YouTube. I'm just so blown away and so thankful for each and every one of you. I love this community. You forget how much I appreciate it when I step away for a couple months, but thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate it. I'm going to get through every single comment on my YouTube comments from that video, I promise. Through Instagram DMs, I respond much faster, but I want to get through every single one of them. I've read almost all of them, but now I just have to get back through and comment and respond to each of those. But number 1, thank you guys so much. And the second thing is, speaking of comments, my goal is to start traveling again in October and November. I want to do something outdoors, be respectful of the pandemic. I was playing with the idea of Eastern Europe, maybe Croatia, maybe Albania. I'm not sure yet, but if you guys have any ideas, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I was also thinking maybe hiking the national parks here in the US, but I want to do something. I want to get back on the road and create content for you guys. My arm's getting a little tired. Let me switch hands here. Oof. And I know international travel is a bit difficult right now, so I want to take that into consideration. But the ideas, the wheels are turning. And if you guys have any comments on good hikes or treks or outdoor activities that I should do, maybe sailing in Croatia, something outside, away from a ton of people, I would love to hear what you guys think, what you guys want to see from this channel in the coming months. And the third thing, the biggest announcement of all, is the Travel Deeper Bootcamp is now live. I touched on it very briefly in the last video, but I did not want to make that a sales video. I want to tell you guys that this is 11 and a half years of my life. All that I have experienced and learned from traveling full-time across the world, I've boiled it down, made it nice and easy in this one course. Everything you need to learn. There's 15 hours of information. There's over 50 videos, and there's case studies from people just like you who have traveled and made a living traveling long term. Everybody from au pairs and teachers to digital entrepreneurs and content creators like Sorella Moore and Drew Binsky, they're all in this course. And if you have ever dreamed of traveling long term, working remotely, or living abroad, you gotta check it out. The link is in the description of this video. And for the next couple of days, probably 48 hours only, it's 50% off. So I know this is a crazy time to talk about travel and living abroad, but it took me 6 months to plan for my first trip in Argentina back in 2009. So now is the time to start planning. If you're living in an apartment in New York City and it costs you $2,500 a month, why not get rid of that apartment and go find a place for $250 in Latin America or in Asia? There's so many options, especially if you're working remotely or maybe you just unfortunately lost your job. Now's the time to start thinking about travel. So if you've ever dreamed of it, click on that link below. It is my life's work. I'm so proud of it, and I think you guys are gonna love the content inside. So that's it. Those are the 3 things I wanna talk about. Number 1, thank you so much. Number 2, I'm traveling soon. I want to hear your recommendations. And number 3, Travel Deeper Bootcamp is now live. And with that being said, I'm going to leave you with the trailer to the Travel Deeper Bootcamp. This is the intro video that you see when you go to the homepage of the course. This explains everything that's inside the course. And without further ado, I'll leave you with that. Have a great week. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon from the road. Welcome to the Travel Deeper Bootcamp. I'm Gareth Leonard, and I've been traveling around the world full-time for over a decade. I know so many of you have similar dreams, to travel for an extended period of time and have wild foreign adventures. And it has become my life's mission to inspire and educate you on exactly how to make that happen, to travel longer, smarter, and deeper. Traveling has truly changed my life. And now with the Travel Deeper Bootcamp, I want to help you do the same by turning you into lean, mean traveling machines. Honestly, when I first boarded that one-way flight abroad, I was scared, I was alone, and I was completely lost. I didn't know how to handle the most basic of obstacles. And granted, some things are unique and unavoidable, but the majority of travel issues can be planned for and overcome with experience. Experience this training will provide for you.
Internal battle right now. That's all it is. Us versus the mountain. The mountain's winning.
To make this as effective and efficient as possible, I've broken this course down into 5 distinct modules. In Module 1, we dive into the psychological and philosophical aspects of making this amazing leap. We go through defining your why, what makes you come alive, and how you can leverage that to travel. I walk you through my background and mindset before leaving on my first solo trip way back in 2009, and how I thought I made a huge mistake when I first arrived. We also talk about dealing with inevitable fear, doubt, haters, and naysayers that come along with making this life-changing decision. In Module 2, we'll get right into the money, because I know this is the most important aspect for many of you in order to travel long term. I'll break down exactly how I was able to travel full time before I ever made money online, starting with only $5,000 to my name. I'll help you set up budgets to save for travel and budgeting tools to use when you're on the road. We'll go through spending examples from other travelers, and I'll highlight the best ways for you to make money to keep your dream alive for as long as possible. From there, Module 3 will go through all of the major logistical questions and issues that you will face, from dealing with visas and vaccinations to finding the best bank accounts and cell phone plans. I'll also go through and show you exactly how to find the cheapest possible flights and where to find the best accommodations. And in Module 4, with logistics nailed down, I will reveal the key factors to thriving in a foreign place. How to meet people and make friends, how to date locals, language learning techniques, and most importantly, how to stay safe. And lastly, in Module 5, I will give you real life case studies from people just like you who have made the leap to traveling long term. Whether they took a month sabbatical or have permanently moved abroad, I sit down with fellow travelers and talk about their firsthand experiences with money, logistics, safety, fear, and much more. And on top of all this, with the investment in the Travel Deeper Bootcamp, you will gain access to our private Facebook group. And this will be the best place to ask me any specific questions you may have, and also connect with like-minded travelers to talk about anything from travel inspiration to job opportunities abroad. Whether you want a career break or complete life change, just graduated or just retired, this course will give you the confidence and knowledge to travel for an extended period of time before you ever leave home. I promise you will fast forward through years of travel mishaps and frustrations with help from these efficient, information-packed videos and resources. People are always asking me how I'm able to travel long term, and the information that I provide here is the foundation for me being able to live out my dreams. And in the Travel Deeper Bootcamp, I will teach you exactly how to do the same. And I'll be there virtually holding your hand throughout the entire process. So if you're serious about travel, I would love for you to join our community. And I'm excited to help you begin writing your own legend. And if you're not completely satisfied with what you learn, I'm happy to provide a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So the only risk you have here is living your life with that dreaded little what if voice in the back of your head. Invest in yourself, invest in your dreams, and enroll now. All you have to do is click on that button below, and I'll see you inside. Let's get started.